Sorry, o máa gbé mi.
Ẹ lọ bẹ̀ yẹn máa rí better impact of it.
Nígbà ayé ìṣe yìí bọ̀dọ̀.
Báwo ló ṣe ṣe? Àwọn kò ti máa dé bì.
We are on their trail. We are on their trail. The spate of attacks on our custodial facilities, the last of which occurred here on Friday night, calls for serious concern. First, in our society, and secondly, on your professionalism. And by this I mean professionalism of our own people. This is unacceptable, and we are saying enough is enough. External attacks on custodial facilities were a rarity hitherto. As a matter of fact, it was not too clear to most people the difference between attack on facilities and jailbreak. People interchange those terms. People think that any escape, either forced escape from outside assault or riots in the prison, is just a jailbreak. But there's a difference between a jailbreak, which came as a result of an attack, and a jailbreak premeditated from within. So that I must be clear about. External attacks on custodial facilities were a rarity hitherto. What was common and for which our system had been well primed was internal breach, which we all call jailbreak. The beginning with the spontaneous EndSARS protest of last year, which dovetailed into massive riots, there have been consistent attacks on our, excuse me, I have a problem with my system. I was saying, at beginning with the spontaneous EndSARS protests of last year, which dovetailed into massive riots, there have been consistent attacks on our facilities in Owerri and Kaba. Now, Oyo. This is not just some random happenings. I want you to go away with that fact. It's not just some random happenings. They are not spontaneous. They are well premeditated, coordinated, and highly aggressive attacks.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.